In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Drive quickly and effortlessly. Whether you're looking to switch your user interface to a language you're more comfortable with, or simply curious about using Google Drive in another language, this guide has got you covered. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. Open up your web browser and type in drivegoogle.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar Google Drive interface. Now, to change the language settings, we'll need to access the Settings menu. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see a gear icon. This is your Settings button. Give that a click, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will open the main settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Google Drive experience. Once you're on the settings page, look for the option that says Change Language Setting. This is the area where you can modify the default language that Google Drive uses. Clicking on this will bring up a list of available languages that you can choose from. If you need to add another language besides the ones already available, simply look for the Add Another Language button within this section. Clicking this will allow you to add a second language, which can be particularly useful if you're bilingual or often switch between languages for work or personal use. Now that you have the option to select a new language, scroll through the list and find the language you want to use. The languages are generally listed alphabetically, so it shouldn't take too long to find your desired choice. Once you've found it, select the language to highlight it. After you've made your selection, the final step is to click the Save button. This will confirm your changes and apply the new language settings to your Google Drive account. You should notice that the interface language updates immediately. But in some cases, you might need to refresh the page for all changes to take effect. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the language in Google Drive. This adjustment means you can now navigate and utilize the platform in a language that best suits your needs. This can greatly enhance your productivity and overall experience by making the interface more intuitive and accessible. And there you have it. Changing the language in Google Drive is that simple. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to make another change, or share this video with friends or colleagues who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching.